Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and it's time again for a Kaspa update. I wanted to do that. I mean, in general, to be honest, we have not seen that much movement since my last update. I think we had just hit the 100 EMA right here on Friday. But right now, I do think the market situation is actually quite interesting. We'll talk about that. I'll show you why I think it's interesting. It's still, in general, right now, I must say, just to do a little bit of a preview, it's really neutral. Like it could really go both ways from here. It could turn very bullish again, and that this is just some sort of retracement, which Kaspa has had before, as you can also see historically before going up higher. Or this could be the start of a reversal. Like we just made a new all-time high, and now we're dropping back down towards 4.2 cents, and then eventually all the way to 3 cents. All right, so we're really at that crossroads right now, so that's why I think it's interesting. I'll tell you a little bit more about that, but for now, before we dive into Kaspa, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guides, which is very valuable if you want to become a better trader. But for now, let's get right into Kaspa. So what we've seen, what I actually wanted to start off with in terms of stats, is that the open interest has actually increased quite a bit by about 10% in the last 2 days, which is not massive, but an increase is good, especially in the weekend. And then the volume has kept dropping down. That's a bit of a bearish indication. So again, this is still pretty neutral, right? The open interest quite bullish, the volume quite bearish. So the thing is that in general, we're waiting for confirmation. All right, what happened in the last couple of days is that we got quite a lot of bearish momentum and bearish confirmation, I should say, right? So Kaspa broke down below 5 cents, and then eventually broke down below 4.7 and 4.75 cents, which is quite a strong support level. So that broke is a bearish indication. And now what's happening, and that's the interesting thing, I think, is that the 100 EMA right here is providing support. And then on the other hand, we see some sort of reversal patterns with the EMAs flipping, turning from support to resistance, and now also being respected. So I will actually zoom into the 1 hour time frame here. What you'll see, and you'll have to imagine the 4 hour time frame EMAs on the chart, but you'll see some sort of a structure like this, right? So you see a bullish momentum holding it up here and a bearish momentum pushing it down here, creating some sort of a triangle. Now, I don't necessarily believe in triangles. I believe more in areas. So in general, what I think the situation right now for Kaspa is that it's stuck between 4.7 cents, which is a strong resistance right now. Like it's really strong. It now also has the 0.382 fib. Like I said, those EMAs that have turned into resistance are now holding that level too. And then we have this level. I would actually say around 4.4, even though we have Kaspa has only hit that once. I think that's the main support level. And what we're waiting for is some sort of a breakout out of this area. That's the main thing, all right? Because if Kaspa right now breaks above 4.7 again, we're very bullish and we're getting up to 5 cents. And we have a decent chance of actually making a new all-time high again. Yes, a new all-time high above this. So that would a breakout above 4.7 cents do. On the other hand, if it breaks down below 4.4 cents, Kaspa, there's quite a lot of support around 4.25 cents with the 200 EMA. But if from there, Kaspa is not able to straight away break back above 4.4 and 4.45 cents again, then it's bearish, all right? And then I do expect us to drop down towards 4 cents and even lower. So that's the interesting part, all right? We're at the crossroads right now. We have to wait for confirmation because all of the indicators right now, all of the ones I use at least, are very neutral. Perhaps it's a little bit more bearish than bullish because of those EMAs flipping, and because it certainly looks like the resistance here is stronger than the support given by the 100 EMA. So I have a slight bearish bias, but in the end, it really is neutral and both things can still happen. All right, so that is my take on Kaspa for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.